Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the notification style on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on notifications. Now from here, if you tap on status bar, you can change the notification style on your status bar. Now, as you can see, it is currently on icons. And if you select icons, the icons of your notifications will appear in your status bar. Now, if you select dot, a dot will appear in the status bar to indicate that you have received a new notification. And if you select none, nothing will appear in your status bar. Now, if you go back and if you select notification pop-up style, you can change the notification pop-up style on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, it is currently on brief, and if you select detailed, the details of your notification will appear when a notification pop-ups on the screen of your smartphone. And this is how you can change the notification style on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.